What's popping up, guys? Welcome to the video. This video I'll be explaining you guys how to take off your engine cover. The reason why I'm taking off my engine cover, I want it to be really good looking. So for that I'm gonna paint my engine cover. If you're also thinking to paint your engine cover, that video will be uploaded on next week. So stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's jump into our video. First, you just go ahead and take it off the sensor right here. You just need to like a twist and take like this, and we'll take off from this clip and take off this part right here. So you can see there's a clip right here, this side, and there's one right behind here as well. You can take this one off. One clip right here, another one right here, other side, this side as you need to take off, this one right here as well. Both sides done, and go ahead and take off this middle part. The next step is you have to take off this part. So there's a wires inside, you have to take it off those wires. So there's one clip around here. We'll get access here. After that, there's one inside here. After taking off the nut from here and here, so there's a one clip right here. You can see this one. So you need to pull this one out, take this whole part out. Alright, now we got the access for the engine cover. For this part, you don't need to take it off any screws. There's some clip inside. You need to just take it out with your hand. Yeah, it will come out very easily. It's holding from this plastic thing, so you can take it off. Boys, engine cover out. So it was not really hard, it was super easy. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video with painting my engine cover. Thank you so much.